everybody. Hi, welcome. So happy you're here. If you are new, hi, I'm Laura. I do have some furry sidekicks that like to join me. This is Zena's furry bum over here, and Wyatt is the white puppy dog behind me. If you're returning, a huge thank you. So appreciate the amazing support. I'm coming to you on an off posting day for me. It is Tuesday because I have a very special Your Bijoux box that I wanted to get to you just in case you're still looking for that last minute Mother's Day gift. This is an awesome idea. It is her spa box. So this would make an amazing gift. It is under $50 and it's all kind of spa goodness that would be the perfect gift for anyone you wanted to gift for Mother's Day. Your mom, your aunt, your grandmother, your friend, whoever you would like to give a gift, and it's not too late to grab this one. All right, if you are new to Your Bijoux box, it is a jewelry subscription, but she does do special boxes like this one. So if you are interested in the jewelry subscription, I will link my typical monthly video up above. Is $49.99 a month. And for that, you get 3 pieces of jewelry plus a bonus item. And her jewelry is quite lovely. They always have amazing themes each month. If you do not have your ears pierced, you can choose to opt out of that. So that's a great customization. You can also choose between 18 karat gold and sterling silver, or just sterling silver only. And it's sterling silver plating. All right, and of course I do have a code for you, FREEHAPPY, and you would get a free extra piece of jewelry in your first box. Now this one I'm going to share with you today is the new Mother's Day Spa box. This box is $49.99. It is outside of the jewelry subscription, obviously. And there's all kinds of amazing goodness inside this, and we're going to do this right now so I can share it with you. This is obviously limited edition. Once it's gone, it's gone. And, you know, you might just like it for yourself. All right, so here's what I see as soon as I open it up. So right on top is a little card. So you could fill out this card for whomever you're gifting it to. It has a little flower on the front. I love that touch, that personal touch. So it's blank. You can write whatever message you like. It comes with an envelope. That's awesome. It smells heavenly. So I can tell you upon opening it, it smells amazing. I wish I could share it with you. We need smell-o-vision, right? So that I could share this with you because it smells amazing. All right, there is so much good stuff in here. So first up is Bubblefina Spa Collection Spa Day Ring Bath Balm. And this smells amazing. Really amazing. So this is all wrapped up. So it's a bath bomb. I love these. Do you guys ever use these? I'm going to just unwrap. I'm going to unwrap it so that I can show you what everything looks like so that you know what you're gifting. It smells amazing. So here's the bath bomb, right? So it's a really nice size, one that's going to be in the bath with you for a little while. It's going to give off this amazing aroma. Very, very light, very floral. Let's say what kind. Ring Bath Bomb, and it says 18 karat gold dipped by Valley Candles. Amazing. Okay, that's the first item. And it says that, Adjustable Ring Bath Bomb and Lemongrass Sugarcane, your choice, 18 karat rose gold, which is the one that I have, or sterling silver dipped. And I think the 18 karat rose gold dipped. No, okay. The silver is sold out. So that the 18 karat one is the one that you would get. I knew one of them was sold out. But this one smells amazing, so I love it. Next up is the Bubblefina Gracefully Clean Flower Blossoms. This is the whipped sugar scrub. says invigorating spa experience in clean blossoms. Oh, this smells. This is light, very light and airy. Look how, can you see that little flowers in there? How awesome is that? Smells like you're at a spa. It really does. Next, we have the Bubble Fina Ever Lovely Romantic Soft Blackberry Whipped Body Butter. Oh, this looks nice. Does smell like blackberry. All right, there's more. If I can get this closed. Here we go. Next, we have the French Laundry Pillow and Linen Mist. I love that. It says for a relaxing night's sleep, and this is in the French Laundry. Do you guys ever use this? Very nice, very relaxing. I love it. I do use this when I'm super stressed. That's when I tend to remember it, and then I will spray my pillow. It smells very nice. Okay. And the last item is the Ever Lovely Hair and Body Mist. And it says light and crisp for spring, summer in soft blackberry. Let's see what this one smells like. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to put some on me here. Oh, that smells fabulous too. So that's everything. So there are 5 small batch self-care products in this collection. So you have the 2 sprays plus the body butter and the sugar scrub, as well as the bath bomb. And I like the card for the extra touch. So $49.99 plus free shipping for the Mother's Day spa box. And I'll put all the information down below for you. I'll put the information for the regular subscription for your Bijoux box below as well, just in case you'd like to check that out as a Mother's Day gift. Either would be amazing. Let me know what you thought. Please comment down below. I always love these types of collections as gifts because I think they're things that you tend not to spend on yourself. You tend to think of them as gifts for other people, so they're nice to receive as gifts as well, right? All right, that's everything for the Mother's Day spa box. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Can't wait to hear what you thought, so please do comment down below. I'm so happy you spent time with me today. Please hit that like if you enjoyed this video. I would love you to hang up long haul and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, a huge thank you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.